Hi gang, I'm going to do 8.1 number 15. It's a domain question, so it's quadratic in the denominator, so you want to factor the denominator. Alright, so once you factor the denominator, the idea is for a fraction, the denominator cannot equal to 0. This has nothing to do with the numerator. So you want to figure out what values here can t not be. So t cannot be 1 and t cannot be 8. And that is the domain. If anybody wants to write that in a fancy notation, let me just show you how you would do that. So you can't be 1 and you can't be 8, but you would be everything else. Okay, so if you write it in the fancy notation, it's actually 3 separate segments. It's negative infinity to 1, not including 1, so open parenthesis, 1 to 8. Again, open on each side, don't use square brackets, and 8 to infinity. And so that would be the fancy way to write the answer, if you wanted to do that. Alright, let me just see for 8.1. I also have this one. So this one we're going to reduce. Let me see. This is question number 35. Alright, so since it's 4 terms in the numerator, you're going to do grouping. You're going to do grouping in the numerator. Maybe let me just write it down here so it doesn't get too messy. Okay, grouping. Let's see, let's take a 4m out of the first 2. Got to carry the sign of the third term. Let's take a 4n. Ooh! Oh, wait. I didn't catch it. Let me go back. It has a common factor and I totally didn't catch it. Alright. They all have a 4. Let's take that out very first. Okay, so there was actually a common factor in the whole thing. Now I'm going to do grouping. If you missed it, you can always take it out at the end, but I would try to catch it so you get it taken out right away. Alright, so now let's take out an m. Carry down the sign of the third term, take out an n. Now we'll take out an m minus 5. That's this, taking out these, and you're left with an m plus n. Alright, now I'm going to move this up here. So it's a 4, m minus 5, m plus n. Okay, and that's all over. We're going to take out a common factor of 11, m plus n, and now we can reduce, so we're going to get rid of this and this, and final answer, 4 over m minus 5 over 11. I did take a moment to see if the 4 and 11 reduce, and they don't, but your brain has to go through that step to see if these coefficients reduce. Okay, gang. That's your final answer. I'll catch you. Bye-bye.